Hi, I am Sanjeet and I'm a fourth year student at IIT Madras, currently pursuing a dual degree in engineering design. And I recently got placed at Zupi via the appraised APM internship program. So I discovered appraised via our campus internship placement process, and I really wanted to get into PM, and I was very happy when I saw what appraised was offering. Like, I loved the experience right from the start. We had a very interesting test. I mean, that was one test where I actually felt like I learned a lot even after the test. So after getting in, I loved how structured our whole learning journey was, right? So they gave us curated resources, weekly doubt clearing sessions, and it was perfect because we could go at our own pace but still clear all the doubts we had. And then we had PMs from Flipkart, Gojek, and Google giving us weekly sessions. And we had P2P interviews in the end, which were very helpful because it helped us see it from both sides as an interviewee and an interviewer. And we got tons of practice via that. I think the best part about Appraise is their guarantee. I mean, they guarantee an internship for us. So the incentives are perfectly aligned. And they actually went above and beyond to deliver their promise. So they just didn't train us to crack the interviews. They also trained us for the skills we'll actually need as a PM. So PM is a very nascent field in India, and it's really hard to get full-time opportunities, and internships are even harder. So getting an APM internship while still being in college is a great learning opportunity that I got, which I think would have been really hard to get without Appraised. And this particular internship opens up a whole new set of possibilities for my career going forward. So I'm super thankful to Appraise for this, and I would highly recommend Appraised if you are interested in product management as a career. And definitely check out the tests on the Appraised app. It's free and it's totally worth your time. I mean, it gives you a perspective into how much thought they've put into the whole process. And it's one of those rare tests that you might actually enjoy if you are into PM, and you'll feel like you've learned a lot right just after doing the test. So definitely do give it a try. And yeah, all the best for your PM journey.